you for giving me this opportunity to share some insight on innovation at Dorset. Our core focus is on innovation, not only in product or technology, but also a special attention to innovation in manufacturing, processes, sustainability, and adaptation of the new innovation in digital domain. This includes the use of AI and other digital tools to bring convenience at all ends.
Seen Dorset from the time it was founded, and I have followed the brand now. I think it's close to 25 years, and I think many years ago, soon after it started, I awarded it in one of these shows as one of the best new brands. And I think there is some wonderful new innovations that I've seen, especially the digital residential locks and the integratable digital lock for main entrance doors. And congratulations on collaborating with Simon's Week. So I'm looking forward to doing many good things with Dorset.
Which we operate on is not only price, because we feel that price grabs attention and that's very temporary, but quality is built on trust, which is most important. And what we work on is on efficiency, which creates a win-win situation between price and quality. These principles for us
Khosla, Creative Director of the Works Interiors. It's really been a pleasure. Prashant gave me a lovely overview of what new products there are at Dorset this time. I think I'm quite excited to use the new lock on the main door, and I also like the fingerprint lock for regular bedrooms. I love the hidden hinges. Excited to use all your products now. All the very best.
It has been a great experience that we have participated in Metasia, though it's our first time. But however, the footfall of the various different fraternities like customers, retailers, dealers, OEMs are especially very encouraging for us. And we love that such kind of platforms exist in every year. There has been a good footfall of various kinds of architects. They have been deeply interested, along with the wood panel industry, that hardware items are also being looked at by the visitors here. The overall experience at Metasia has been wonderful, and we anticipate that in times to come, this exhibition will play a vital role in the development in northern India. The footfall of various channel distributors, dealers, and various customers have been very encouraging, and it has been a good experience for Dorset.